And this for everybody who keep asking about the Box Chevy bill. No Lala run and everything. But the last time I put gas in Lala, as I was pumping, one of my partners was like, bro, you leaking gas, it look like. And Lala leaking gas, y'all. So, no lie, y'all. Lala been having fuel problems. Like, and I ain't been able to figure it out. So, Lala, basically what's going on is either my gas tank, well, I ain't gonna say, well, yeah, this was going on. Either my gas tank is cracked and it's leaking gas, which I doubt. I think it's the unit inside the gas tank or the lines that's going to the tank are clogged or something, because it makes perfect sense now. When the Box Chevy started leaking gas, I was like, oh, okay. Now it makes sense why my fuel filter don't be filling up by the carburetor. And when I'm trying to pump gas, I can never really just hold it and let it just flow in. It always stop like clock. It always stop like something trying to stop me from putting gas in the car. So the culprit gotta be the gas tank or the lines. I probably just go to replace the gas tank, run new lines, and all that. You feel me? And I kept saying I was gonna LS swap the box. I still been thinking because everybody know LS swaps, bro. Everybody know LS swaps. My uncle said the same. My uncle said that, like, everybody know LSs. I probably just gonna leave the old block in here, bro, but turn it up, you know what I'm saying? I probably just turn the block up to 383 and leave my old block in here and buy another Box Chevy and LS swap that. But leave this OG, you know what I'm saying? Leave this like the OG, like leave this old block, you know what I'm saying? So if I'm gonna leave the old block, I really just gonna change my gas tank and my fuel lines and still drive my car. While the 350 still in here until I take the 350 out and run through it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. Cause everybody live with these rallies on now. And the old school engines, yeah, LS swaps are more reliable, but these old blocks are reliable too if done right. If done right. And it doesn't take much to get them going, and if something happens, it's easier to figure out what's wrong. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to see. I'm trying to see if I'm probably just gonna leave that in there, bro. But yeah, for the people who ain't been to it, you know, Lala clean now. Don't get it misconstrued. Lala clean now. Don't get it misconstrued. Like this car, I'll put some money in this car now. Don't get it misconstrued. You feel me? The gas tank is one of the things I haven't replaced in my engine. You know what I'm saying? Everything else down there been replaced, bro. I'm just being a freak about it. Mother riders do look good in the car dirty, bro. It don't even look dirty in this thing. You feel me? Got leg right here. Got granddad leg up there. Hey man, say man, y'all know anybody who can help me with this truck, man? I'm just keeping it brick with y'all, man. You know, it's a lot of stuff I know. It's a lot of stuff I can do. You know what I'm saying? But it be different from when you take something apart and somebody else take something apart. So, y'all let me know in the comments what I need to. Let me know in the comments, send them folks in my direction. Cause I done figured out a lot of stuff. I just gotta get to it, man. I done figured out a lot. Alright. Yeah, y'all find them folks, send them folks in my direction, man. Yeah, y'all know somebody who work on these LSs, man. Who ain't gonna bust my head. I don't even care how much call I paid. Send them folks to MaddMarksCars directions, man. I'm ready to ride my truck, bro. You feel me? See, this is a 6.0 LS2. New starter, I ain't even put that on yet. PSI 100, see? PSI 100. It's basically done. It's just not done, though. If that makes sense. Like, it's basically done, but not done. Y'all understand what I'm saying? Like, she clearly fuel line not attached. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not sure this fuel line, man, I don't know, y'all. This is a fuel line, I know that though. And you see, I got a lot of stuff plugged up, bro. A lot of stuff is plugged up, but I just gotta finish it off, man. I'm just be real, man. I be up all night, bro. I can never get to this truck in the morning. She was shot bed over there too. I can never get to the truck in the morning, bro. Like never. Like, I'm ready to ride my truck, bro. Swear I am. I ain't even took this damn thing off, man. I'm supposed to be able to took this thing off. It still got a belt down there. I ain't even know that. I still got a belt on there. Yeah, I still got the what's called the wires already ready for the starter. You know what I'm saying? I got stuff lined up, how it's supposed to be lined up, man. I just ain't got to it, bro. I gotta get back to it, bro. For real. It's a 6.0, bro. Not a 5.3. It's a 6.0. Original. This is original Trailblazer SS rails and Trailblazer engine. All this come off Trailblazer SS, no lie. Everything is fast. There's no lies being told. To it, man. My truck, man. I've been riding my truck, man. I see clearly this PSI box. Yeah, man, I gotta get to it. I got extra rattlers and to it, bro. Well, I just did a starter on the Suburban, and it took that tile, made it way easy. Took that tile, come right there, brr, make it way easier. Jack the thing to the sky. I'm up here for the lessons, man. I need that vacuum hole. Well, it's that vacuum hole, but it goes to the shit, it's like it right here, that whole engine gun. Man, what's that whole called, man? Oh, they took everything out this motherfucker. They got no door panel, getting messed up on these things. Well, on to the other road. But yeah, coming to get this PCV hose. I put the wrong one on there. Man, it got my car accelerating so slow. And cause it caused a vacuum leak. You know what happens when you got a vacuum leak. And I could just order it offline. But it's taking so long to get here. It's gonna take so long. And the last part I ordered our Parts Geek took a long time to get here. So therefore, about to get them more from here, bro. I'm gonna put that thing on. Beat. I can't even got another part off of IS250 up here. Sometimes it's just best to get it off the same car so it can be an OEM part and you don't have to wait. Damn, I said 323. Why no IS250 on this one right here? hell is this? Oh, that ain't it. It must be a good somewhere. I think this is right here. Nah, that ain't it. Damn. They said wrong. Bro. It must be gone. No, man, bro, wasting my time coming up here all along gone, bro. That's gonna piss me off. Why they gonna piss me off? 326, gonna try 326. Man, y'all. I hope it won. Out of the three that's up here, 2 are gone. And these cars really, they don't be on the junkyard like that. You really gotta catch it. Hold on. So I dropped 27. Yeah, 26 gone. I jumped out with 27. There ain't no cars over there, bro.